Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Linguistics and Research Guideline. I will discuss lexical morphology. So, at the first hand, what is lexicon, lexeme, and lexicography? So, let's go. First of all, I will define lexicon, the collection of words, the internalized dictionary that every speaker of a language has. Lexeme, the fundamental unit of the lexicon of a language. Lexicography, the process of writing, editing, and compiling a dictionary. What is lexical morphology? Lexical morphology studies the way in which new items of vocabulary can be built up out of combinations of the elements as in indescribable, unforgettable, and telescope. Lexical, relating to the words or vocabulary of a language. It's a lexical analysis relating to or of the nature of the lexicon or dictionary. It is lexical entry. So, lexicon, morphology and lexicon. Morphology studies morphemes and their different forms and the way they combine in word formation. Lexicon refers to the set of all the words and idioms of any language. Lexical morphology. It is concerned with the formation and structure of the lexical basis of lexeme. It is complementary with inflectional morphology. It deals with those aspects of the formation and structure of words that are not a matter of inflection. Introducing lexical morphology. It deals with derivational and inflectional morphology. Morphology that deals with the lexicon. The word history of lexical. The word lexicon can be used as a synonym of dictionary, and the word lexicography refers to the practice of dictionary making. Both of these words as well as lexical derive from the Greek word lexis, meaning word or speech. What is lexeme in morphology? A unit of lexical meaning that underlies the set of words that are related through inflection. It is a basic abstract unit of meaning. Lexical morphology, structure, process, and development. Current linguistic accounts frequently posit two types of representation, the lexeme and the morpheme. The lexeme is represented in the lexicon and is much like a bare stem or a citation form. The morpheme includes affixes, reduplication, and by some accounts, modifications of phonology and representation that change a lexeme. The lexeme unites grammatical and phonological forms. For example, the verbs am, was, and been have distinct phonological and grammatical units and grammatical forms. Process. The lexical representation must unite several types of information stored in a long-term memory: conceptual, semantic, syntactic, phonological, and eventually orthographic information. Thank you. I wish you all the best and Allah Hafiz.